312-2691. Thank you and see you in your event. We are Let's Flowers and Events Management. Happy to serve you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Chloe Matiato.
And I am Jessica.
We are from the Let's Flowers and Events Management.
Creating your best day always and forever.
And yes, ladies and gentlemen, this album we're going to witness a constellation of a love story that starts in Buffalo, turns celebrated and today it's IT. Wala mo ang palakpakan dyan! Yes, ladies and gentlemen, meron po kami isang katanungan. Handa na po ba kayong makita ang ating bago?
Guys, your name!
Okay, let's begin on your first table. Table number 6. Sino? Patingin nga ulit. Once again, table number 6. Siyempre, dahil sama ko naman ako doon sa unahan.
Siyempre, kung mataas ang energy ng table number 6, hindi magpapatalo. Table number 3!
Parang isa dito sa pressure cooker. Sobrang lang gusto. Para kang isang dito sa pressure cooker ba yun?
Ito naman si Madam.
Parang nakasignan na pula. Grabe ang galing. Oppose. Palamakan naman natin our top 7. Grabe. They really set the mood tonight. Palamakan naman po natin